pulse light. I'm here with Dr. Solarino, who has recently been doing intense pulse light for dry eye. He's been using the Lumenis M22 Optima. And we're talking about future meetings, and we're talking today about a meeting that he's going to be having, that I'm going to be speaking at in Sardinia. Beautiful, beautiful Sardinia. Tell us about the meeting a little bit.
So our meeting will be held in the October, first week of October, and there will be about many things about the ophthalmologist. The main theme is what's next in ophthalmology, because we are trying to understand where we are going with the instruments, with procedures, with the surgery, and many things. So you are the big boss of the dry eye, and we would like to have you in our congresses because you discovered how the Optima EPL energy can be used for a dry eye. So we are really interested in your opinion on this, because it's changing everything about the treatments of a dry eye, you know.
Yeah, so I think what's going on right now is a lot of technology meetings, and we're getting a lot of new technologies. We have to realize that we have to continue to go forward and incorporate these new technologies in our practice so that the patients can do better. And that's where IPL comes in and other technologies. So his meeting is in October, the first week in October. I'm going to be there October 3rd, and then what's interesting is then our meeting will follow that meeting, and then that's going to be in Nashville, and it's our annual meeting on technology, aesthetics, and dry eye. So the doctors who are interested in incorporating these new technologies and aesthetics into their practice, they can actually come to our practice and see this. So his meeting is going to be from October 3rd to October the 6th.
Yes.
And then my meeting is October 5th and 6th. So you can go in and take all these meetings in. So you can start in Europe, come to Nashville, and then come the next week to the American Academy of Ophthalmology in San Francisco. So we're looking forward to seeing everybody, and I'm glad that people are incorporating these new technologies.
Yes. Really, thank you so much, because you really will be the rocket man of these congresses.
Yeah, well, so are you.
Up and
so
down.
I've enjoyed getting to know you these past years, and that we've been talking a lot about dry eye and helping people.
I really enjoy this because it's something that they already changed completely the way we were used to treat dry eye. So up to now we have to try many different roads. But actually we are treating all the people with the new Optima and Lumenis, and getting best results with this. So people are really happy of this.
All right, so I'll see you in Sardinia, and I'll see you in Sardinia.